All right, Charlie the Handyman back again. Here we go. This is going to be my biggest video. We are ripping out this whole kitchen. Can the handyman do it? I believe so. As you can see, this is not a functional kitchen anymore. I mean, I don't think it was a functional kitchen to begin with. Refrigerator in this closet thing. You got pipes just running outside. I don't know why they're not in the wall. It just needs to be redone. I mean, look at this. The fridge didn't even fit. I had to take the handles off just to get it out of this so-called closet. It was a struggle. Most of this video is going to be time-lapse. It's about 10 hours, maybe 15 hours of footage. If you've ever dealt with lathe and plaster, you know what I'm in for in this video. What a mess. So time-consuming. I do have a full-time job, so I do this on the weekends and whenever I got some energy after work. But we'll get it done. And I'm going to take you along for the ride. Now this video is mostly time-lapse. I won't be talking too much. But in future videos, I will be breaking everything you need to know down. Because demo, just hit stuff, rip stuff off. Not really a process to explain. So, sit back and enjoy the show. Gas pipe. Don't you think you should have ran the pipes in the wall? Just maybe. Old boiler pipes. Gas for upstairs. That's gonna have to get moved. But these, got forced air now, don't need them. See ya. I will say it is quite taxing taking all this plaster out. Just load after load into the garbage. But oddly satisfying. And saves a ton of money not having to hire somebody. And all you need is a hammer, garbage can, some good tunes playing. That's why I don't have any sound in the background. It's just a real peaceful experience. Got the floor. Now, my original plan was to keep the floor, keep the costs down. But once I got it all up, there's a gazillion nails, which I'll show in a clip coming up here, to hold that plywood down. Terrible design, whoever did it. I hate you. But I looked up the pricing, and it'll be about $1,000 to get the floor, and it's a pretty common 2 1/4 inch flooring. Find it anywhere. and the pattern was off. The floor was shifted from the dining room next door. Do kids even know what these are anymore? Landline. Oh my God, Charlie, are you taking down a load-bearing wall? No, no, no. This is not a load-bearing wall. There's plenty of videos out there to check, but always consult with an engineer, a structural engineer. But yes, this is a Chicago bungalow. This wall is not holding anything. So out it comes. Let's open it up like every other house now. It's about 90 something degrees out. Look at that. The brick is 87 degrees. The window's not much better. Then you get the little AC vent, 60 degrees. So basically this wall, no insulation. You could see, look at all that loss. This is why you put insulation in your house. Place has got wire nuts on it. Do we think it's live? Put in the comments below. Talk about a big no-no. Just putting valves up in the ceiling. Nobody knows they're there. There's even unions. Imagine a leak up there. Ah, it's broken. Pretty nifty. Every piece of plaster and lathe is off. What a chore. I was talking earlier about the floor, and look at all these nails. This is how they put the plywood down. I was able to pull them all out, but then I decided to switch a floor, so it didn't really matter. I'm going to take you on a journey of the floor. Look at that. Some water damage. The cabinet's all right there. That's the sink. That's the drain. All that's got to get moved. I mean, we're squeaking everywhere. Some random holes. I'm not even sure what was there. These pipes got to get moved. This gas line's moving. All that stuff's going to get cut out. Back to the subfloor though. Yeah, we're gonna go rip it up. Probably do a time lapse right here. Hey, if you're getting anything out of this, hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor. We're gonna have a bunch of parts coming out. We're gonna redo this whole kitchen, DIY style. Job done.